guys, it's Christina. Welcome to Royal House. So before I went raw, I was a complete chocolate addict. I craved chocolate every single day, and there was no day passing without me eating chocolate in one form or another. So I thought I would show you today the simplest raw vegan dessert recipe, some amazing royal vegan chocolate truffles. So you would have an alternative in case you need something chocolatey and really sweet but really healthy in the same time and low fat as well. Unlike all the other recipes, you don't need any food processor or blender or anything like that. You just need a few basic simple ingredients and 2 little hands. So here it is. Enjoy. For the ingredients, we need 5 fresh medjool dates, a tablespoon or so of raw organic carob powder, half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then for a filling you can put inside the truffles whatever nuts you might like. I chose almonds and some Brazil nuts. Then you can use some coconut at the end if you wish so, to roll the truffles in. So first step, you want to dip it all the medjool dates, and then you can add 1 tablespoon or so of raw organic carob powder. And this is going to get a little messy, and put your hands in there and just mix it all together. Just make sure you mix it really well. So now you got this, which is like a dough consistency. After having our dough, all we have to do is break it in little small parts like this and put an almond inside. Round it well in your hands, and now you have your chocolate truffle. Roll it in coconut. There's our first chocolate truffle. So this is the finalized version. I rolled some of them in coconuts and some in carob powder and some in cinnamon. You can choose whatever you like or whatever you prefer. And now let's taste one. It's so good that I want to cry. This was it. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. And now it's time for question of the day. So the question of the day and my question to you is, what is your favorite dessert? What's the dessert that makes you want to cry? Post your thoughts and answers down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!